everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can put fraction on your iPhone calculator. It is very easy in iOS 18 update or in iPhone 16 Pro Max. If you see your iPhone display, calculator display will look like this, and there is a calculator below there. Just tap on it and it will show you three options like this: basic, scientific, and maths. What you need to do is just put a scientific option, and a scientific calculator will come up like this. Okay, so now you can put fractions to your calculator, and all your calculator is scientific. For example, you can use the fraction 5 divided by 7 divided by 7. Okay, you can put like this, or you can do a fraction like this, or put whatever you want to and use it, utilize it like this. So that's how you can actually use your fractions and calculate. I hope this video helps you out in calculating or putting fractions in your iPhone calculator. If you still have any other question, just let me know. I'll try to figure out in upcoming videos. Bye bye.